How to draw cartoon hands. Draw lightly at first. Start with simple shapes. Pause the video to draw at your own pace. Start with a circle. Add a mitten shape where the fingers will go. Connect the wrist to the hand. The base of the glove curves around the wrist like a bracelet. The thumb sticks out. You can draw rounded forms for the joints. Connect the thumb to the palm with curves. Draw the butt cracks in the palm. Divide the mitten into 3 fingers. The fingers are like soft sausages. The little finger curves inward slightly. Clean up the rough drawing. Erase unneeded lines. Trace over the rough drawing with the final line work. Remember, cartoon hands are soft and simple. Hands have structure, but the gesture shows the emotion. Sometimes one finger will split off from the other two. Use your own hand as reference for drawing different angles. The fingers are about as long as the palm. The palm is a circle, but from the side view it's squashed into an oval. 3 lines are often drawn on the back side of the glove. Please let me know in the comments any other topics for drawing or animation you'd like to see covered. And in the meantime, you can watch more videos by clicking the video on the screen. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and share it on Twitter, Reddit, or any of those other social medias. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.